Good day everyone, this video is on how to put wipers on your F-150. Okay, here's the wipers I'm using. It's the B22-1, so B-22-1 beam from Rain-X. You might be wondering, hey, how do I know if I need new wipers? Well, there's lots of reasons, but the reason I'm changing these ones is because it's really streaky, so it's really hard to see when it's raining. It's obvious that these need to be changed. Okay, see this little tab right here on the wiper? That's what we're gonna go ahead and flip up. Just go ahead and give your screwdriver a turn. You can use a pocket knife or a screwdriver. Okay, after you got that off, see this little tab right there? You're gonna reach up under there and pull that tab. It's this tab right here. See that? It pulls up. Kind of hard to see with the sun, but you pull up on that tab and that'll release the wiper. See, I've already pulled up on the tab. Now you can just take the wiper and slide it this way. Just kind of slide it out, see? There you go. And then here's what you're left with, just a hook. Now we'll get our new one out. In this case, it's the same wiper for both sides. Sometimes they're different. Okay, here's the two of them side by side. This is the old one. Here's the new one. Here's the new Rain-X ones, and so it's got the same type of deal. It's got a thing you flip up right there. So for installation, just take and flip that up, same way as we did that one. Then we'll just go ahead and slide the thing right on there. Okay, you can see we're in there now. We've pulled towards this way, and now we'll just take and snap that in. Good to go. Do the same thing on the other side now. These things work great. Let's try it again. Works great. Nice clean windshield. Thank you for watching, everybody.